Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a portable massage gun. So you see in the bottom, they probably got some specs and features that's on here, but this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, you can see how it actually has the padding on here. But once you guys take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So first thing right here, they probably got like a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then right into that, we do have everything else. So let's take everything out first. So right here, they probably got a USB to USB-C cable. So you can use that to recharge the product. Right here, we have the first head. Here we have the second one. Here we have the third one. Here is the fourth one. Here we have the fifth one. And then here we have the last and final head. And last but not least, we do have the massage gun. You can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. But first, I'm actually take out the bag to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take out the bag, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. Right here is where you guys want to insert the massage head. And right here is where you guys want to grip it. So when you guys feel material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It actually has this very nice like anti-slip material. So that way when you guys do grip it, you don't have to worry about it falling off or slipping off your hand. And right here in the back, we do have the display screen. In the bottom, we do have the outlet for you to plug in the cable to charge it. And then right here, we do have the switch for you to activate it. So let's turn it on. You can see how it just turns on right here. So on the display, it shows you guys the different speed level and also the actual battery life as well. So let's press on the power button. That turns it on. So currently we have it on high speed level. If you guys bring it down, so the top bar shows you guys the actual level that you guys are using. So there's 6 different speed levels on here. And then right underneath that, we do have the bar to show you guys the battery percentage. So right now it's halfway, so it's not fully charged. And then once you guys are done using it, you guys press the power button. And then it's going to turn on the switch in the bottom. And that is how you guys turn it off and turn it on. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I should test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So the cool thing about this massage gun is the fact that it gives you guys the option to use a USB-C cable. So that way you can use a wall charger, or if you guys want to use like a portable charger, you do have the option to use different devices to recharge it, which is kind of cool. Not like your typical massage gun that requires you guys to use that specific cable. So right here I do have a different USB-C cable. If you guys plug it in, you can see on the display screen it does show you guys that it's charging after you guys plug in the cable. So that is basically how you guys know when the product is charging or not. If you guys try to turn it on, it also works when you guys are charging it, which is kind of cool. So that is how you guys charge the product. Now let's test it out to see what the dB is first, and then we'll try it out ourselves. So let's put on random massage head first. So I use this one. Let me just turn on dB tester. Alright, so we got the tester on. Let's test it out. So I'm gonna try out speed level 1, and then we'll bring it up to speed level 6. Alright, so that's speed level 1. Now let's bring it up to speed level 3. Alright, so that's speed level 3. Now let's bring it up to speed level 6. Alright, so that's speed level 6. So when you guys do have it in speed level 1, it's pretty quiet. But once you guys bring it to speed level 6, it is much more powerful and much more louder as well. And if you guys are curious about the battery life that's on here, if you guys use it at the lowest level or the lowest setting, it can give you guys up to 8 hours of usage. But if you guys use it in speed level 6, you guys can't get that 8 hours mentioned. And then also for the massage gun, it does have an auto shut off after 10 minutes of usage. So after 10 minutes, it will turn off by itself. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's test it out myself to see how it feels. So I'm gonna try out speed level 1 first. Alright, speed level 1. So when we use it on speed level 1, it does feel pretty good. It doesn't feel like really good compared to like when you guys increase the speed level on here. It just feels like a lot of vibration when you guys do use it. Let me actually bring in speed level 3. Alright, speed level 3. Alright, so when we use it on speed level 3, it definitely feels a lot better than speed level 1. You still have that vibration, but you have a lot more of that percussion or that really good massage when you guys do use it compared to speed level 1. But I'm actually increasing speed level 6. Alright, speed level 6. So when we use it on speed level 6, it definitely feels a lot better and much more powerful. I feel like for me, I have to use level 6 because level 1 to level 5 doesn't feel that powerful compared to level 6. When we use it on level 6, it definitely feels the best, especially if you guys want to relieve pain and stress and etc. Anyway, in here the product is really loud when you guys do turn in the high speed level with speed level 6. But once you guys are done, press the power button and that will turn it off. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable massage gun that has a similar design that's on here, where it's super compact and portable, and give you guys the option to use a USB-C cable to recharge it almost anywhere, whether it's like a wall charger, a portable power bank, or anything else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.